How to log in to MeetMe app. So if you want to log in to your MeetMe app, then first of all, open up your application. Make sure to download it from your App Store or your Play Store. And after opening the application, now here you will have sign in with Facebook or log in with email. So you can simply choose any one of those options. I'll be choosing the last option, which is login with email. And now here you have to enter your email address and then your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. Simply tap on forgot password and you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then simply enter it and then tap on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your MeetMe app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.